Hello, I'm Brian Belcher with Coastal Properties Group. Welcome to my property at 414 22nd Avenue Southeast in lovely Tropical Shores. Come on through. This is a fully remodeled 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,575 cooled square feet. Hardwood floors. The entire house was stripped down to the concrete block walls in 2016 and remodeled. You have Cambria Quartz countertops throughout the entire house. Fully remodeled kitchen. You have self-shedding palm trees throughout the entire landscape backyard. Downtown within 3 minutes to pull up the dock forwards and the pier.